If you feel sick all day in early pregnancy, this is for you. Morning sickness isn't just morning. For many women, it lasts all day. And it can be brutal. Here's what actually helps. First, don't wait to eat. An empty stomach makes nausea worse. Snack every 2 to 3 hours. Second, keep it bland. Crackers, toast, bananas, not exciting, but effective. Third, ginger works. Tea, chews, or warm water with fresh ginger can calm nausea naturally. Fourth, sip, don't chug. Ice chips and electrolytes count. And here's the part no one tells you. This nausea often means your pregnancy hormones are rising. Your body is doing exactly what it should. If you can't keep fluids down, talk to your doctor. Safe treatments exist. You're not weak, you're building a human. Follow Cradle and Care for calm, science-backed pregnancy support.